that?
Disable indicator.
I don't know what it is doing now, no? Confused, no?
Yeah.
Strange. What is happening with the indicator now? Hey, what is he doing? Oh, she. And go. And go. Yeah. Strange people are here in Düsseldorf, no? And crazy. Crazy people. And yeah, I'm from India. Heute nicht bestanden. Ach nö, Vanessa, Mensch. Das tut mir leid. Hallöchen. Heute nicht bestanden, tut mir leid. 16,4 Punkte ist natürlich viel, ne? Schade. Vielleicht lernst du ja mit uns noch ein bisschen Theorie. Kann man ja machen. Ein Top-Zuschauer, Cinderella. Cinderella wurde eben ein Top-Zuschauer. Cinderella, von dir habe ich aber nichts gelesen. Schreib mal was rein. Glückwunsch. So, now we pay attention. Look on the bus. Maybe. No, go please, go please. Only look on the bus, no break.
Yeah.
Only look on the bus. Maybe, only maybe,
Yeah.
is going the hazard light on.
Okay.
And what is it doing now? The hazard light. You pass the bus with walking speed.
Walking.
Yeah, walking speed, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
It's
theoretical
theory.
knowledge.
Yeah, it's a
theory
theoretical
knowledge.
person,
Yeah? And here sometimes the bus is stopped on this area here.
Okay.
Sometimes the bus is stopped here with hazard light.
Okay.
That is the reason why I told you this.
Okay.
Remember, it's not easy, no?
Yeah.
Not easy. Okay, pay attention. Let them go. Distance to the right.